why they are not giving it?
Sir, there are some centers apprehensions. These are that the our soldiers' mindset has not prepared it to follow the command of women officers. There are
Is it
some
the soldier's mindset or the forces mindset?
soldiers' mindset, sir. Central government has propounded that our
But
forces.
in education corps, soldiers listen to what women say.
Yes, sir.
Why?
So,
There it doesn't matter.
sir, I believe even in permanent commissions of women, also soldier will will follow the orders of women officers. So, women officers can be given entry into permanent commissions of army.
Push, you mentioned vehicle safety. So, what are the five features in a car related to vehicle safety?
Sir, airbags, seat belt, electronic control system. Another is ABS, anti-brake system. Yes, sir, that's it.
Can you tell how airbags work?
Yes, sir. Sir, airbags include a nylon bag which is placed in just behind dashboard and our steering wheel. Sir, there is a mechanism for airbag which includes at the time of crash the vehicle speed is decelerates. At that time the signals of that deceleration from accelerometer goes to the airbag circuit, and from airbag circuit the electric current passes through the heating element, and then heating element ignites the explosive in airbags. So through the explosive of airbags the gases nitrogen and argon used to inflate that nylon bag of.
Who told you the argon is present in that heating element or explosive?
Sir,
Where
during,
you read that?
sir, during engineering
So
days,
tell me what are the chemicals present in that?
sir, that chemical explosive is used to sodium azoid.
Correct. Sodium azide is there.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you think that sodium azide will produce argon?
Sir, I have read about it. That
Okay. So what else? Not only sodium azide, there are other explosives also. So you know the sodium azide, how will it produce nitrogen? You tell me.
no, sir.
And then how you say that argon is produced? Have you read somewhere?
Yes, sir.
Where you read?
Sir, in Wikipedia also.
Wikipedia. And which was the first company to produce this airbags?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to connect.
You mentioned quizzing as your hobby.
Yes.
You participated. So, what are the 2, 3 quizzes, national level quizzes held in India?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of it.
You are going for paramilitary forces, CAPF. So, we all like routinely we come across the news that there are high suicide rates in paramilitary forces.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are selected as an officer, how will you ensure that this suicide rates goes down?
Yes, sir. Sir, recently there are some incidents that ITBP Jawans has committed suicides. So, as a leader, it's my responsibility to reduce their pressure, because ITBP is exists at a very high level. So there is a high pressure and stress among the soldiers. So first of all, I will communicate with the National Institute of Mental Health, which used to give stress management techniques, yoga, meditations, and vipassana to the soldiers. So through that institute.
Don't you think why this is not being done now then? These are very common things which should be done, then they are not being done now.
Yes, sir. Recently, in last month, ITBP has taken some steps in regarding to distress our soldiers
How?
through that institute, National Institute of Mental Health.
You mentioned automobile engineering. So, do you think, like, what is the feasibility of driverless cars in India?
Yes, sir. Driverless car is a very innovative idea, and it is realized in some countries like Singapore. However, there are some ethical issues involved in the implementing driverless car. So we need to look into this ethical issue, and then after that, we can roll out the plan of driverless car.
What are the ethical issues?
Sir, because in some circumstances, in cases of accidents, then who will take the responsibility of that accidents? You also, sir, in some circumstances, the machines used in driverless car could not understand the signals that from sensors.
Just now you said it is being like implemented in Singapore. So how they are implementing that in Singapore then?
Sir, in Singapore also it was implemented in on the basis of pilot project basis.
So in USA also Tesla is there.
Sir, I have not heard about it.
It is being used commercially also now. In
Okay.
Last question. You come from Ahmednagar.
Yes, sir.
Somehow it is ill-famous for low sex ratio. Might be knowing it.
Yes, sir.
So what are the reasons why particularly Ahmednagar has poor sex ratio?
Sir, there is a less awareness among the peoples. Also, sir, cultural factors such as patriarchal mindsets among peoples. Another, sir, less education to women, which result into the foeticides among pregnant women. Sir, these are the some factors responsible for the less sex ratio.
Ankush, can you tell me who discovered the heating effect of electric current?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to.
For a science student, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is heating effect of electric current?
No, sir.
You're not aware?
No.
And it was a Joule, no? You know the Joule's effect?
Yes, sir, but not exactly.
H is equal to I square RT, you don't know?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are into automobiles.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of ergonomics?
No, sir.
Okay, last question. In your hobbies, you have mentioned one of the hobby is diary writing.
Yes, sir.
So you write it on daily basis.
Sir, occasionally.
Okay,
So-
so it is your personal treasure, but we would like to know generally what kind of things do you write in your diary?
Sir, the daily some learning lessons from my day-to-day activities. Also, sir, some past my mistakes so that I could introspect and could correct that mistakes. Also, sir, whenever I come across some thoughts, good thoughts about our life, I used to write that thoughts also. And sir, I used to write in diary that planning and implementation modes about my careers or my study. I used to write these things in my diary writing.
Thank you, all the best.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
क्या GST कमिश्नरच्या